first sighting of the ship.
Good morning.
Just about to head onto the gangplank. Welcome.
Hey, thank you.
Let's look at an inside cabin. The door opens outwards instead of inwards, which is unusual. And we had the virtual balcony, so we have a TV screen on the end which shows us what the view is on the outside. A roomy bathroom with glass door for the shower screen instead of a curtain, which is awesome. This was a great bar to gather with friends, have drinks, play games. Sorrento's Pizza was one of the many places you could get free food anytime, which is an awesome thing with Royal Caribbean. We spent many hours in the music hall playing trivia. No, we did not lose any money at the casino. There's always the art auction every cruise that you do. This lounge also had some trivia and was just a nice place to sit and read or look out at the view of the sea. Another spot for free tea, coffee and food, which is awesome. You don't have to always go up to the Lido deck to get a free cup of coffee. You can just come down to deck 4 and get it as well. This was the paid cafe, so you can get your snacks that you pay for here as well. Guest services, where there's always a line, no matter what cruise ship you're on. We don't really have any video of Jamie's Italian because we didn't eat there. It is a paid venue. A great place to sit, have a drink and play cards or gather with friends. It's always busy at the crew's next desk. I don't think we ever got a chance to sit down. There was always people there. You walk past it every day on your way to the 270 Cafe, another place where you can get free food and drinks anytime. I just really like that with the Royal Caribbean, that you don't always have to go up to the Lido deck. The 270 Theatre had many activities, including shows, trivia, the silent disco, and many more. It was a long walk between the front of the ship and the back of the ship. Order a cocktail from the robot bartenders and watch the show. Azumi is the sushi bar, which was an extra cost. Again, we didn't go to that one either, but it looked very nice. Schooner's Bar, another bar, had trivia here as well. Wonderland. We did actually have a meal at Wonderland. Unfortunately, a lot of our video was too dark and didn't work, but here is some that did work. This is the main theatre. The library, I think that speaks for itself, but you can have a nice view out the window while you read. There are 2 walking tracks. This one unfortunately didn't go all the way around the ship, but most of the way around the ship. Solarium is the adults only area with pools and a bar and lots of chairs looking out. It was enclosed, so it was quite humid in there. This is your main buffet. We actually quite liked the food here. They did stations where they would make fresh food for you, whether that was omelettes in the morning or stir fry in the evening. SeaPlex for multi-purpose activities, roller skating, bumper cars, pickleball, all sorts of things. Something that surprised us, being that we're usually on budget cruise lines, is that there was no extra cost for these things. Aaron didn't try the rock climbing wall for the first few days, thinking it was a cost, but it was free, so then he tried it. This is the running track right up the top. It does go all the way around. Nice little circuit. Here's Aaron in the RipCord. This is something you normally had to pay for, but you did get 1 minute for free. So here's Aaron doing his 1 minute for free.
Superman!
The North Star, you could do this also a 15-minute for free when in port. Here we are in Honolulu having a nice view. Neither of us can surf, so we did not do the FlowRider, but I can tell you what, some people were very good at it. Being an American cruise line, and we are Australian going into Australian waters, they did play I Come From a Land Down Under all the time.